Only the Diskaya couple and DPWH officials are the real crooks in the flood control project conspiracy that has defrauded government and the public of hundreds of billions. And not the lawmakers tagged by resource persons who vehemently deny their roles in the conspiracy, like yesterday's House representatives from Quezon City and Caloocan, and two more from today, who say they have nothing to hide but all testify before the ICI in executive sessions. The full report from our Harley Valbuena.
Another pair of lawmakers tagged in anomalous flood control projects appeared before the Independent Commission for Infrastructure or ICI earlier today. They are Quezon City 6th District Representative Marivic Copilar and Quezon City 5th District Representative Patrick Michael Vargas. The two are among those named by contractor couple Sara and Curly Diskaya, who allegedly received kickbacks from flood control projects. But since their requests for executive session were granted, the hearings were conducted in a closed-door setup and not live-streamed. Congressman Vargas also declined to answer questions from the media. But in a release statement, the lawmaker said he gave the ICI documents proving that the Diskayas have no projects in his district. He added he also shared relevant information that will help in the investigation of the commission. The ICI, meanwhile, declined to provide further details regarding the executive sessions.
I cannot share with you the details because these were all in executive session. So, but basically this has something to do with what our ongoing investigation on the flood control projects, kung paano ito na-fund, how the budget process is being conducted.
For this week, a total of 6 congressmen implicated by the Diskayas faced the ICI. Moreover, all 6 also testified via executive session. As of today, the ICI still has no definite timeline as to when the live streaming of their hearings will begin, since almost all the invited resource persons opted for executive session. Hardy Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.